Friends, today we are going to learn the second comprehensive problem on death of a partner. Look at the board. Sum number 2. Ramesh, Ravi and Akash are partner who share profit and losses in their capital ratio. So, capital ratio. Ramesh capital 30,000. Ravi capital 30,000. Akash capital 20,000. So ratio is 3:3:2. So their profit sharing ratio is 3:3:2. Okay. Their balance sheet as on 31st December 2017 is as follows. Liability assets are given. Capital, general reserve, creditor, plant and machinery, stock, debtor, bank, cash are given. Akash died on 31st March 2018. That is, he died after 3 months from the date of preparation of balance sheet. On the death of Akash, the following terms are agreed upon. 1. Plant and machinery is to be valued at 54,000. So valued is given. So we have to compare and take the value. Already plant and machinery 45,000. Now valued at 54,000. 9,000 rupees increased. That is a profit item. Stock is to be depreciated. Stock is an asset. It is depreciated by 1,000. It is a loss item. Asset value decreases. It is a loss item. Goodwill of the firm valued at 24,000. The total value of the goodwill is given. We have to take the deceased partner share of goodwill. It is to be adjusted with the continuing partner. That we will consider later. Then, very important, the fourth one. The share of profit of Akash is to be calculated from the date of closing of the last financial year to the date of death on the basis of the average profit of the 3 completed years of profit. The profits for 2015-17 were 66,000, 60,000 and 66,000 respectively are given. Prepare necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet after the death of Akash. They are asking. Students, now we are going to prepare revaluation account. For revaluation account, we have to take revaluation loss item and profit item. Yes. Here plant and machinery is to be valued. Already its value 45,000, now value 54,000. The difference we should consider as profit. It should be credited with the revaluation account by plant and machinery increased by 9,000. Then stock is to be depreciated by 1,000. To stock, buy is given, we can take that value. So 9,000. Profit items total heavier than loss item total. To revaluation profit, balancing figure. This profit transferred to all the partner. Ramesh capital, Ravi capital, last one Akash capital. It should be divided in 3:3:2. So after division, Ramesh will get 3,000, Ravi will get 3,000, Akash will get 2,000. Then we are going to prepare capital account. For the preparation of capital account, we should read the problem from beginning to end. First we will start with liability side. Capitals are given. Capital should be credited with the capital account. By balance, BD. Ramesh capital 30,000. Ravi capital 30,000. Akash capital 20,000. Then general reserve. General reserve should be credited with the capital account. It should be divided in old ratio. The value of general reserve 8,000. The ratio 3:3:2. So 3,000 to Ramesh, 3,000 to Ravi, 2,000 to Akash. Then creditor, plant and machinery, stock, debtor, bank, cash will not be recorded in the capital account, will not affect the capital account. Then go through the adjustment. The plant and machinery, it is a profit item. Stock depreciated is a loss item. Goodwill of the firm valued at 24,000. Yes. Here we are going to treat the goodwill as like a retirement of a partner. First, the total goodwill is given. We have to take the deceased partner goodwill. Who is deceased? Akash. So Akash share of goodwill. Akash share of goodwill. Total goodwill of the firm 24,000. Akash share of goodwill 2/8. So 6,000. This goodwill to be adjusted with the continuing partner. How we will record entry? Continuing partner capital account at R2, deceased partner capital. Yes, the continuing partners are Ramesh capital account at R, Ramesh capital account at R, Ravi capital account at R, to Akash capital. The value 6,000. We should divide the 6,000 in gaining ratio. In this problem, no gain is given, so we can use the old ratio of continuing partner as gaining ratio. So the old ratio of continuing partner is 3:3. So the gaining ratio is 3:3, or we can say 1:1. 3,000 to Ramesh, 3,000 to Ravi. So in debit side we have capital, credit side also we have capital. So for this we have to record contra entry. So debit side to Akash capital goes to Ramesh 3,000, Ravi 3,000. Credit side, since it is a contra entry, it will affect the credit side also. By Ramesh capital, by Ravi capital goes to Akash 3,000, 3,000. See the fourth adjustment, very important. Share of profit of Akash is to be calculated from the closing of last financial year to the date of death. That is, we have to calculate the profit share of Akash from last balance sheet date to his death date. Yes. Once again, share of profit of Akash is to be calculated from the closing of last financial year to the date of death on the basis of average profit of 3 completed years profit before death. The profit for 2015, 16, 17 were 66,000, 60,000 and 66,000 respectively are given. Yes. Now I am going to find the share of profit of Akash. So Akash share of profit. We have to provide 3-month profit to Akash. Yes. So first we have to find average profit. Average profit of last 3 financial year. So last 3 financial year profits are given 66,000, 60,000, 66,000. So 66,000 plus 60,000 plus 66,000 divided by 3. So 1,92,000 divided by 3. We'll get 64,000. This 64,000 is an average profit. We should consider this one as current year profit. Yes, out of this current year profit, we should provide for Akash share of profit. So 64,000 assumed as current year profit is Akash share of profit 2/8. We should provide 3-month profit to the Akash, because last balance sheet date, last financial year ends on 31st December 2017. From that day to his death date, there are 3 months. We'll get 4,000 rupees. For this, we have to record one new entry. That entry is profit and loss suspense account at R. Profit and loss suspense account at R to Akash capital. To Akash capital, value 4,000 rupees. This Akash share of profit should be credited to the capital account by profit and loss suspense account. Profit and loss suspense account goes to Akash. Then we'll take revaluation profit to the capital account by revaluation. By revaluation 3,000, 3,000 and 2,000. First we should close the deceased partner who is called Akash. His credit side total 34,000. 34,000. Akash share total interest. Akash total interest settlement not given. So we should transfer the entire amount to his executor loan account. To Akash executor loan account. Value 30,000. Entry is Akash capital account data to Akash executor loan account. Then we have to close other partner capital 36,000, 36,000, 36,000, 36,000 minus 3,000, 33,000, 33,000. The closing balance of continuing partner. Closing capitals of continuing partner by balance PD 33,000, 33,000. 3,000. Then we have to prepare balance sheet of reconstituted firm. We should start with the asset side. Plant and machinery given in the balance sheet 45,000. Adjustment says the plant and machinery valued at 54,000 plus increase 9,000. So new value 54,000. Then we have stock. Stock, our old value 22,000. Adjustment says stock value to be depreciated by 1,000. Depreciation should be deducted 1,000. Balance 21,000. Then debtor. No adjustment. We can write the old value. Bank. No adjustment. We can write the old value. Cash. No adjustment. We can write the old value. Then move to the liability side. Capital. We have to record the continuing partner capital, namely Ramesh and Ravi. So Ramesh capital, Ravi capital, 33,000, 33,000. So total 66,000. General reserve transfer to the capital account. It will not come to the new balance sheet. Creditor will be recorded in the balance sheet. Since no adjustment, we can record old value 8,000. Then move to the adjustment. Plant and machinery valued at 54,000. It is a profit item as well as added with the plant and machinery. Stock depreciated. It is a loss item deducted from stock. Goodwill debited with the continuing partner, credited with the retiring partner. It will be adjusted with the capital. In balance sheet it will not come. Then share of profit. What they said, the last 3 months share of profit to be calculated. Based on that, we provide share to the Akash. That we have to write in the asset side as profit and loss account, profit and loss suspense account, profit and loss suspense account. Its value how much? 4,000. It is a new item, very important item. After considering all the adjustments, then we can total the balance sheet. Our balance sheet total is, then we have to write Akash executor loan account. Its value how much? 34,000. After recording the Akash executor loan account, we will balance the balance sheet total is 1,08,000 and 1,08,000. Students, we completed death of a partner problems. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.